What's up, guys? As you can see, this is the first time, I'm a little sick, but the first time the Grand National is out on the actual streets in over 10 years. And we spent all night, we were at the car show yesterday with the GTR. I spent all night, I'm gonna all-nighter right now for the sunrise cruise because we spent all night trying to get this thing ready because I want to take this thing out. So, a little bit what we did. We changed the valve cover gasket. We did all the spark plugs. We did all the spark plug wires. We didn't get to do the other valve cover gasket. We wanted to put the new valve cover gasket on there, but unfortunately we got some missing parts in the shipment. We had to tape this hose up because it had a rip in there because the new intake didn't come in. So, but overall it's running pretty good. I'm beating the crap out of it. I'm drifting pretty much every turn, legally, of course. It looks great after Ward did the wash on it. Headliner, it's been 2 weeks. Again, that's just, unfortunately, it's a waiting game. It's okay. We're going to be patient with it. Plates are totally legal. And the outcome of the show is sick so far. It's been a beautiful, beautiful time. I think it's like 5:30, 6 a.m. right now. We got some beautiful cars out here. A lot of cars, a lot of cool people. And yeah. If you didn't come out this time, definitely make sure to catch the other one.
That's what I'm talking about, bro.
Two
World right here,
Two
bro.
World, baby. Let's go. That's how we do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a Camry right there, right? The white Camry from London right here. It's the right-hand drive London car. Camry, Toyota. Very good. Oh, it's a six-speed Camry. That means it gets like a good miles per gallon. Oh, it's a Solara, two-door Camry. Solara. Yeah, it's an awesome turnout. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. We have so many videos that we're editing for this car. We've done so much so fast with this car. It drifts really well. It's got power. So there's a little sneak peek. So things that we found wrong. This vacuum line here was off of the pressure nipple here, off the turbo outlet. So you cut that, put a zip tie on there so it doesn't fall off again. That one's actually supposed to stay open because it's an open vent. So things going on, and we're gonna be back at this soon. All right, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all at the next one. Peace.